Welcome to IBC 2025. This year we bring together our global media, technology and entertainment clients, showcasing their groundbreaking innovations right here in Amsterdam. Well, it's day 3 here at IBC and I'm at Vizrt with Chris, and I'm going to start by asking you, Chris, how's the show so far? How's it going?
The show has been fantastic. As you said, it's day 3. Every day has been super busy, super crowded. We have some great customers that are coming here, but we're also meeting a lot of great new people, so I think that's a win.
That's the beauty of a show like this, isn't it? It brings everyone together in the industry face to face.
Exactly. You know, you can have all these meetings over Teams and Zooms, but when you actually get a chance to meet somebody, shake their hand, and actually get them engaged with some of the things that we're doing, see how excited they are, that's going to make a big difference.
Well, it would be impossible to walk past this stand, so I'm not surprised you've had a lot of footfall. Give us an overview of the company and where you're positioned within the market, Chris.
So Vizrt has been around since the early 2000s. We started off as providing real-time broadcast graphic solutions for the broadcast industry. Since then, we've grown to be one of the largest in the world for being able to provide amazing viewer experiences for broadcasters. And that's, the graphics that you see behind us, but it's also going to be the sports analysis tools, being able to bring in virtual sets, also being able to give you the tools that you need to be able to manage your media asset managements, and do live productions with the TriCaster. So we give you the full package to be able to create really incredible viewer experiences for your audience.
And if we zoom out a little bit, pardon the pun, what about trends in the market then? What are those trends as you see them and how are you tapping into them?
Sure, so there's going to be, of course, the trends of diversification of the output for your channels. So traditional broadcasters, they're used to being able to send their live content over to the television, but of course the audience is changing. They need to be able to send their material over to the mobile devices, to laptops, to social media networks, things like that. But not only that, they need to be able to diversify their content, to be able to grab the attention of the younger viewers, which in turn are going to be the ones that are actually going to be funding them in the future. So grabbing those viewers while they're young, growing up with them, but you've got to go where the young viewers are. So broadcasters are trying to figure out how to do this while maintaining their live productions that they're doing today, which means being able to expand their capabilities without expanding their price tag that they have to be able to spend on this. So that's one of the things that we are really focused on helping broadcasters do here, is be able to take the productions that they're doing today and be able to go to the new channels, go to the new audiences in the correct format, and still with the high quality that the audience are used to seeing during the main productions that they have on the air. With that capability, then they're going to be able to thrive because they've got the new audiences coming, and they're going to be able to diversify by going to these new channels.
So innovation is key to it all, as well as quality. But as I look behind me here, tell us a little bit about what you're actually showcasing this year.
Yeah, so we're showcasing a number of different things. Of course, we have our sports tools. So we have a new version of our sports analysis tool, actually our sports advertising tool. Yep. So Vizrt, and actually I just got an award for it just a minute ago, so fantastic. We got a Best of Show award for that.
Okay.
The newest version of Vizrt 6 has AI tools in there to be able to do fast and easy lens calibration without needing any kind of hardware. Also, it has a lot of AI tools for being able to do very nice keying on the football pitch or any other sports pitch that you want, so that your advertisements can blend seamlessly with the background.
Yeah.
And it's really allowing you to monetize your sports content with the video that you have today. Also, we're showing the new Viz Engine, which Viz Engine is the graphics engine behind the amazing graphics that you see here behind us, taking advantage of what we can do with Viz Engine now to be able to go to larger and larger and larger video walls. So all the video walls that we have here, you can now do much larger video canvases with this, and using AI, you can also have more engaged and more immersive virtual set experiences. You may have seen we have a virtual set on the other side of the booth.
Yeah.
We can now take the presenter, immerse them in this virtual world, and have shadows, reflections, and not only that, but actually allow them to interact with the virtual world without having any devices. So they can grab AR objects, move them around, and become part of the full environment without having any of these distractions of extra hardware that they need to manipulate.
It's mind-blowing. It's simply mind-blowing, isn't it?
Yes.
So what are the reactions that you're getting? What are customers saying right now?
Oh, the customers are loving everything that we're seeing. They're showing here. It's been especially things such as we have the new TriCaster Mini S as well, which is a TriCaster now running on a laptop. Some of our content creator customers, some of our partners that are going into the enterprise world, love the portability of having a TriCaster just right there. Super simple, pull it out of your laptop, set it up, go onto an NDI network, and you can start producing things. So they're really excited about that.
Yeah.
And the graphics solutions, especially like what I was talking about, the virtual set and the sports production systems, this is really answering a lot of the questions that they have about how they can continue creating more and more engaging content.
And how we're consuming it is changing minute by minute. So on that note, what about the future? Where do you go from here?
Yeah, so the future is going to be very interesting because if you think about where the broadcast world is today, it's going to become more and more segmented, and there are more video creators coming into the marketplace. So video is much more than just broadcast. Video is everything that we do on a day-to-day basis to communicate with people that is not face-to-face. Enterprises, large corporations, need to be able to communicate with their employees. They need to be able to communicate with their investors and their partners, and more content creators are getting out there as well. They all want quality video. They want the same high quality that they're seeing the broadcasters do.
Yeah.
But the tools need to be much easier for them to be able to use and much more accessible for them. So by taking the tools that we have and the quality that we have of the broadcast world and turning it into something that is accessible for a marketing team at a corporation or even an individual content creator, that is something that we're going to be seeing next. That is something that Vizrt is working on, and that's going to benefit everybody up to the top broadcasters too, so that they can build more channels and have more and more people actually creating content for them as well.
And that's the future.
That's right.
And there we shall leave it. Thank you so much for your time today. Good luck with the rest of the show.
All right, thank you very much. Great to see you.